Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable the new feature dark mode for TikTok.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Make sure you have the updated TikTok application. First, open TikTok from your apps list. Go to your profile by tapping on Me from the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three horizontal dots from the top right corner. In Privacy and Settings, find the General section. Here, you will find the dark mode. Tap on it. In dark mode settings, you will see two options. First one is light, which is selected by default. Second one is the dark option. Simply tap on it. That's it. The new dark mode for TikTok has been enabled. In this way you can enable the new feature, dark mode for TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.